fellas, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the S4 a little bit. I'm going to be replacing the transmission mounts. I have some Apikol trans mounts that I bought, and they are used, and I'm not sure if maybe they're just old rubbers or just worn out, but I went ahead and got some new ones from my friend Isaac. These are 034 ones. He bought them when they were new. Well, he bought them brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them for these, just because I feel like the ones that I have in right now have too much slop, as I may have mentioned in my last video when I took it to Aspen. That was one of the only issues that I found with the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up and replace those really quick. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain in the ass, but it shouldn't be. I think I just have to put it on jack stands, lift the back of the trans a little bit, or lift up the trans a little bit, get some weight off of them, and then I'm able to get the new ones in there. I told myself that I wouldn't drive this car that much when I got it running, just so it can last me, you know, clear mind, because when this thing's broken, I don't have a clear mind. I'm just thinking about how to fix it, when I'm gonna fix it, when I'm gonna have money to fix it. And I've been treating her well, but also driving her kind of hard. So, I mean, I guess as long as I don't money shift, everything should be fine. All right, got her all jacked up. I need to clean the residue here under the car while I'm down here, just because my oil pressure sender switch failed. I have a small leak of what looks like green oil, which is going to be the power steering fluid. So I probably have to tighten down a clamp somewhere up there. Anyways, not what I'm here for. I'm actually down here to replace these mounts. Do you guys see what I mean? Do you guys see why I had so much slop? Look at that. That's how much movement it has. And that's like tightened all the way down. Unless it tightens more. But I don't think so. I think I already tried to tighten them and that's all it went. I got all the bolts out. The bushing is out. It was tightened all the way down. As you can see, it has a stopping point where that metal is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these taken out. Got the transmission jacked up enough to separate it from the subframe. Time to throw these bad boys on now. I'm going to be replacing this top washer. I have the OEM one. It's a whole lot thicker, so I just feel a lot more secure with it. So I'm going to go ahead and change that out and install it. And that's a wrap, fellas. I got them in, all torqued down. Here are the outside ones. The ones that are out now. This is how they come apart. Oh, they were blue. I wish I could just get new bushings. Let me know in the comments if you guys know if that's possible. There's the culprit for the leak of the power steering fluid. Good news is she still starts. Alright fellas, let's go take her for a test ride. See how she does. Honestly, off the bat right there, I kind of already felt a difference. Sometimes I'd have like a little bit of like the motor would settle, and it kind of almost felt like slack from the differential. Yeah, that's so much better. Way better. It's definitely what it was. I was concerned that it was going to be my center diff. All that slap, I was just worried that maybe this transmission has been modified and had a different front diff, so the center diff was going to start taking unnecessary strain because the rear diff would be different ratio. The reason I'm actually fixing this thing up is because my lady's going to be driving it. Her Mini Cooper's kind of taking a dookie on her. Oh, another place that I may have slack or slop, whatever you want to call it, is going to be, I still have the OEM dual mass flywheel. It was in pretty decent shape. I actually bought it used from a friend, and since I had the Ringer Racing clutch, I just went ahead and took 120 grit sandpaper, sanded it smooth, and, or not smooth, I just scuffed it up a little bit just by hand. I just did a little bit of cross hatching of my own, and then I threw it in, and I mean, it doesn't slip or anything, especially with the power that I have. I do launch it. I don't have launch control, so I just pedal to the metal, and as soon as I see my RPMs hit 4,000, 4,500 RPMs, dump the clutch immediately, and it doesn't slip. Everything feels good. That's probably why my last trans mounts took a shit on me. Anyways, fellas, that concludes today's video. Make sure to stay tuned and let me know in the comments what kind of content you guys would like to see. If there's anything that you guys want me to address, I'd be more than happy to create a video addressing concerns from anybody in the comment section. Anyways, see you guys next time.